Can't ignore the smell of the smoke when you walk out the door.
That's right. You walk out, it kind of hits you like a wall, doesn't it? And it's best to stay inside so you're not breathing in those unhealthy particles.
But if you do have to go outside even for a little while, how can that affect your health? KREM 2's Alexa Block spoke with an allergy doctor with Rockwood Health to get that answer to that question and more.
How long can someone be outside when it's like this before they start, feeling health effects?
I think anyone should not be outside with this horrible air quality, and it just really varies. Different people have different severities of symptoms, but you don't want to breathe this. But 10 to 15 minutes running in and out, you should be fine.
So it's really like prolonged periods of time outside.
For most people, that is absolutely true for prolonged periods, but some patients and some people just very short periods of time. So 10 to 15 minutes in general for most people.
Can we talk a little bit about symptoms that people should look for if they're being affected by the air?
Symptoms vary. You can have irritated eyes. If your eyes are very sensitive to the symptoms, it could be your nose, it could be nasal congestion, it could be sneezing. Your chest, it's usually cough, little tightness in the chest, shortness of breath. If you're asthmatic, it could be out and out asthma attack and severe wheezing. If the symptoms are getting bad, the first thing to do is to go into the house, and if you have some type of saltwater nose spray, it's just run it through your nose. Get rid of all that soot that filtered into your nose. The other thing is take a nice tall glass of water, about 8 ounces, drink it, just to try and cleanse your system to get a lot of the irritants out of your body. And change clothes. Don't forget to change clothes. Jump in the shower because that soot is all over you. That smell is all over you. Those irritants are all over you.
Can we talk a little bit about masks?
Yes.
Do they work? Is there a certain type thing people need if they're going to be, let's say, working outside all day or something like that?
Yes. Unfortunately, there's some of us that we have no choice. We have to pay the bills. So we are working outside. A HEPA air cleaner mask is amazing. And you can get them for about $10. They're not that expensive.
The regular ones, like dust masks, they probably would work as well.
The dust mask, it's better than nothing. Even just a wet towel, squeezed out, put it over your face. Or like a handkerchief, wet it, squeeze it out, and just tie it around your nose, over your face. Those things help when you have nothing else.
Good advice. And we were talking also, you have a headache.
I do.
I have a headache. Tom Sherry
Eyes
has
kinda
a
itchy.
headache. Yeah. And I was reading that basically if you're prone to headaches or migraines, that you could be more susceptible because of the air quality as well.
Sure.
So.
We were chatting in the newsroom a couple of hours ago. I'm saying, I think this is the first time I've ever put my air conditioner on recirculate in my car, right?
Yeah.
Instead of pulling that smoky air in.
Yeah, and that's another thing. You need to make sure you're doing that so that you're not just breathing in all that
Good
junk.
advice for sure.